Hi, my name is Sarah. Growing up, I had a good home life, and we were in and out of church growing up, and I haven't really found a place that I felt at home until I discovered the blood. A few months ago, my sister Marissa, she got baptized, and from that point, I just kind of talked with her about her experience, and that's when she helped me and walked me through how to ask God for forgiveness. From then on, I just saw God blessing me in my life. Before my life with Christ, my life was very uncertain, and I just didn't really know where my life would be going. You know, I've thought in my whole life that I would be in the medical field, and that's what I've always thought I would do. And then once the program was canceled, I just kind of took that time to pray and try to figure out what do I need to do next, and that's when I went back into banking. And through that, I reconnected with Skylar, and she invited me to the BOD TV. So now looking back on my life, I can see how God was working in my life before I even found the blood. From talking with my sister about from her getting baptized to my career changing and meeting Skylar again. I'm getting baptized today because I want a fresh start on my life. I just want to thank God for working my life like He has, from placing my stepsister in my life, for her talking with me about her baptism, and for Skylar helping me through all of this, and my parents for always being there for me. Whoever finds God finds life.